Indian state terrorism in occupied Kashmir has witnessed an alarming rise during the rule of Narendra Modi-led BJP government in India. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said the Indian troops had martyred 2,152 Kashmiris, 305 of them in custody and fake encounters since January 2015 till date. The report said that in the month of January alone, the Indian troops martyred 3 Kashmiris, 2 of them in custody or fake encounters. It said that at least 74 persons were arrested in the month of January. Chairman of Kashmir Institute of the International Relations Altaf Hussain Wani has urged the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres to help stop the illegal profiling campaign by the Indian police in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, in his letter jointly addressed to the UN Secretary General and the UN Special Rapporteurs, Altaf Hussain Wani highlighted the illegal, unconstitutional and human rights aspects of this move. Apple growers and traders in the occupied Kashmir have expressed concern over a significant drop in the fruit prices in the last few weeks in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the growers from different areas said the apples fetched good returns earlier, but now the rates have dropped with some 10% of the produce yet to reach mandis from controlled atmosphere storages. As the bad conditions of the roads in occupied Kashmir have become a concern, a passenger vehicle today met with a tragic accident in the Baramulla district, leaving 7 people dead and 8 others seriously injured. According to Kashmir Media Service, the ill-fated vehicle rolled down into a deep gorge in the district. At least 7 shops and a residential house were gutted in 2 separate fire incidents in Srinagar. According to Kashmir Media Service, an official said that 7 shops were gutted in a fire incident in the fruit mandi in Parimpura area and a residential house was damaged in another fire incident in Bhimna area on the Wednesday night. Jammu and Kashmir People's League has called for the resolution of the long-standing Kashmir dispute in accordance with the relevant UN resolutions to bring an end to the genocide of the Kashmiris at the hands of the Indian troops. According to Kashmir Media Service, the JKPL senior leaders addressing a meeting in Srinagar said the party firmly advocates the peaceful settlement of the Kashmir dispute.